Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Amazon customer service latest update. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need to do is go into your browser and go into amazon.com. And take note, you can also do this even if you're in a smartphone. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and make sure that we are logged in. So once you're logged in, you can hover your cursor right here, and from here you want to go click here on customer service right here. Click on that. And now from here, what we're gonna do is we are gonna choose what type of help we would need. So for example, you have some login issues, then you can click on login issues. And from here, what you can do is you can click on this one, for example, and maybe this one. And yeah, just an example, but until this, then you would need to click here on I need more help right here. And from here, you would now have this option. So you can request a phone call from Amazon right here, or you could just start chatting with them right here. So you can see here why choose chat, because you can get where you're going fast and you can chat at your own pace, and you have 24 hours to come and go as you like. So you can click here on start chatting, and then you would now be prompted right here in getting help. And as you can see, we just need for this to wait loading and to get in touch with the customer support of Amazon right here. As you can see, it has now joined and will now be ready right here. So all we have to do now is write our problem right here, and now the customer service of Amazon will help us. So that is basically how easy it is. So